Compact farm tractors with higher ground clearance have benefits for getting past obstacles. You can go over rocks, stumps, and rough terrain without getting stuck. This keeps your tractor safe and makes farm work smoother. Higher ground clearance can also save your crops. This is especially helpful if you have taller plants or uneven rows of plants, and it can make your tractor more versatile for mowing, tilling, and carrying loads. This can save you time and save you work on your farm. A big problem you must think about is safety. Your tractor could tip over. The new tractors have a lot higher center of gravity, and this can be a problem, especially if you're on a slope or if you are carrying a heavy load. You must be very careful with this. It is very important to get the right kind of tire in order to be safe. You also must have a tractor that is designed properly. New tractors have very good suspension systems to help you stay safe. Tire selection is very important to you. Tractor tires have become much larger in order to provide the additional height needed for higher ground clearance. You must buy the right tires for your tractor and the job you are going to do. This is very important. You could have an accident if you don't do this. Besides, you probably won't like the way your tractor performs if you don't have the right tires on it. Another thing that is important is the design of the suspension of your tractor. If you have a new tractor, the chances are very good that the manufacturer has already designed the suspension to give you higher ground clearance and also to keep you from tipping over. Another big thing to think about is the kind of terrain you work on. And of course, you must keep your tractor in good running condition. This means you must have a good tire, suspension, and undercarriage maintenance program. If you don't do this, you are likely to have an accident. It is also very likely that your tractor won't do a good job for you. You must not allow a tractor with higher ground clearance to sit around, and you must not abuse it. You must do a good job of maintaining your tractor, and you must train the operators of your tractor. It is very important to train the operator of a tractor with higher ground clearance. The operator of a tractor like this can do a more efficient job if he knows what he is doing. He will also be safer. Finally, there is something else you should know. In different operations, a different amount of ground clearance will be needed. You need a lot in a vineyard, for example. The rows are close together and you must have a lot of ground clearance. But you may not need very much ground clearance if you are going to use your tractor to mow a big flat field. This was a lot to say, but I hope I have made my point. Be careful when you buy one of those new tractors. Be sure to concern yourself with safety and with practicality.